You've made it to another weekend, so let's take a look at what has been hiding in your shadow during this week, the rejected part of yourself, and how will you continue to use your power of choice. Now, the shadow work theme for this weekend is the acronym KISS, and this acronym stands for Keep It So Simple. So let me ask you to reflect on this question. What are you communicating regarding the direction of your life, and how can you keep it so simple? Now, first, let's look at the meaning of a few words. The words are simple, simplicity, complex, and complexity. Now, simple means free from duplicity, and simplicity means singleness of nature, unity, indivisibility, immutability. Complex means composed of interconnected parts formed by a combination of simple things or elements. And last, complexity means state of being composed of interconnected parts, intricacy. Now, based on their meanings, simplicity is a nature of oneness, and complexity is the state of interconnected parts. And when you are in your shadow, the rejected part of yourself, you'll love to make things complicated, slowing down the direction of your life. Now, this complication is in your mind, and it's how your mind gives you the illusion that you are in control of what's going on around you, causing you to misuse your power of choice to move you forward. Now, the mind does its best work when things are complicated because it keeps you actively moving in directions that are not in your best interest, and this overactivity of movement takes a toll on the body. It weakens the body and causes you to use your power of choice in a confused way to direct you. So how will you know when you are making things complicated? Now, becoming a conscious observer and checking out what is coming out of your throat is the way. So what are you saying? Do you know what you're saying? What are you informing others of? How are you speaking? Is what you are speaking the words? Do they sound disjointed, authoritative, or clear? And what is being communicated? Are you sharing what you know in a simplistic or complicated way? And where will your communication lead them? Now, simplicity only comes when you recognize the complexity that the mind is creating. And this recognition comes with clarity and proper use of your power of choice. It comes with the clarity of the mind. It comes with clarity of the voice. It comes with clarity of the communication and clarity of the direction you are meant to go. Now, last, this clarity allows you to quickly see the details and get straight to the heart of things in order to use your power of choice to create something new and bring change. Therefore, you are no longer walking in complexity. You are walking in simplicity. You are walking in your knowing, and you are using your power of choice wisely. Now, to learn more about how you can use your power of choice effectively to keep it so simple, then check out my mentorship program. The link is in the description box. And if you need more immediate one-on-one attention, then book a guided coaching session with me so that we can analyze how you've been misusing your power of choice. The link is in the description box as well. I look forward to seeing you in our next weekend shadow work session.